The payroll feature allows the members to generate pay slips and also see the status of their salary payments. Click on the payroll feature on the left hand side and go to Payroll Settings. You can see there are three important payroll settings: Payroll Particulars, Payroll Groups, and Payslip Settings. Payroll Particulars are the particulars that appear on the payslips. These are the things the staff member is paid for. The payroll particulars are divided into earnings and deductions. Earnings are salaries, overtimes, and other profits, whereas deductions are the late marks and the half days, also the unpaid leaves. If you want to add an earning or a deduction, click on the Add Earning or Add Deduction button and fill in the details for the particular payroll particular. You can edit or delete a particular earning from here. Click on the delete button under actions and click on OK. This will delete the particular payroll. The next settings is the payroll groups. Just like you divided the staff members into particular staff categories for making the attendances, likewise divide the staff members based on the salary you pay them. It can be similar to the staff attendance categories, but the staff member in the particular payroll group will have the same salary. If you want to create a new payroll group, click on the Add Payroll Group button and fill in the details. Select the payment frequency, the payment generation date. Also enable the earnings and the deductions that will appear on the payroll payslip. Then click on Submit. Besides the groups, you can see an Allocate button. From here, you can allocate a staff member a particular payroll group. On the right hand side, you can see a drop down button, and from there allocate a particular payroll group to the staff members. Do not forget to add the salaries of the particular payroll group. Then click on Proceed. It will allocate a staff member the particular payroll group. The last payroll settings is Payslip Settings. It allows you to make additions to how the payslips will look. For example, it gives you the freedom to auto-number the payslip. You can upload an image or add payslip notes. Do not forget to enable the options you want there on the payslips. Lastly, click on Submit. These are the three important payroll settings. Thank you.